এই যে
So
2009,
he should get the benefit from
Yes.
April 30, 2000.
right?
That means 1st May 2009. So arrear pension from 1st May 2009 to 17th May 2000.
The petitioner prays for grant of the benefit on and from the next day of retirement of her husband. This will be covered by Abhijit Boito, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, after Abhijit Boido, my lord, there is a, my lord, an application, GA application has been
Yes.
made. And on that case, my lord, the special bench clarified that it should be got
On and from?
the
Where is that? This 16 July 2013?
my lord, I don't.
The special bench next day order.
Yes, my lord. Abdul Goni, my lord. That is also, my lord. I have given, my lord. That. My lord, this is the order. কোনটা? হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ। The paragraph 45 or 46.
আচ্ছা তারপর হচ্ছে the honorable special bench on 30th September 2019 in GA নাম্বারটা লিখে নেবেন তো মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল গানি laid down that the employee shall be entitled to receive pension from the date following the date of retirement on superannuation in accordance with the provisions in the DCRB rules. Stuff. The instant writ petition accordingly stands disposed of by directing the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purulia,
Yes, my lord.
to grant the benefit to the petitioner on and from the next date of retirement, now on and from 1st May 2009. Stop. The arrear pension shall be released without any further delay, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
Great.
Disposed. এই অর্ডারও আমাদের করা আছে
Take back that.
ঠিক
My lord, may I take back that order or it will remain?
You want to take back
Or it will
Abdul Ghani?
or,
You can take it back. He'll take down the number and then he'll return it to you.
or my lord,
Four melody, 3% additional increment. Second paragraph melody year that has been wrongly recorded. Four melody is 2017.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে Paragraph 2, it will be 2017.
Only melody subject to correction. Melody third paragraph. All of the aforesaid government memorandum dated 10 February 2010. Actually, melody 10 February 2010 was not withdrawn. Withdrawn melody 4th December 2014. Melody that is the your lordship's melody. I have corrected if your lordship's melody permit.
The 3% increment comes from 10th February 2010.
10.
Then in
There was
2017,
a cut-off date.
yes,
That cut-off date has been repealed by 2014 circular.
no, then 2017 circular comes.
2017 circular by withdrawing 2014. 2014 circular cut-off
2010 remains.
10 remains, 2014 remains. 2017 by 2017 circular, 2014 circular was withdrawn.
Was sought to be withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
Acha, give me the numbers. Acha, please come.
I have also annexed that government order, page 40 of my writ petition.
But then I need the 2014 order also.
Mm.
Number 2014 number.
Page 40 in the writ petition.
Oh, page 40.
40, 2014 circular, page
Acha.
41,
Paragraph
2017 circular.
Paragraph 3 will be replaced.
Second last paragraph, that was after 27 February 2009 will be entitled. This cut-off date was deleted. So this circular has been withdrawn by 2007.
The aforesaid memorandum dated 10th February 2010 stood modified by the subsequent government order number 1003. নাম্বারটা দিতে হবে না, ডেটেড করে দিন, ডেটেড 4th December 2014, পেজ 40।
ঠিকঠাক মতো বলিস কিন্তু ঠিকঠাক মতো দেখে
by a further memorandum dated 22nd March 2017, the modification dated 4th December 2014 was withdrawn. ঠিক আছে? The modification the government order dated 22nd March 2017 has been set aside by the court on 15th January 2024 in WPA 6217 of 2021.
ওটা চলে গেল।
ঠিক আছে? Then it is all right.
And last paragraph, second last paragraph, melody.
Paragraph 2 na. Paragraph
to
replaced হয়ে এটা আসবে।
second last paragraph, melody directed the commissioner to take a decision.
Yes.
In terms of 2010 and in terms of the 2014 circular. First page at the bottom. Second page, all right.
Yes, I followed. The disposal it will be open applied with the commission to grant in terms of memorandum dated 10th February 2010 and 4th December 2014. Paragraph 5, add and 4th December 2014. Page 40 তে আপনি পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন 4th December 2014. All right. Yes, next.
Will
Will it be the same thing?
Same, second paragraph 2009.
Second paragraph 2009 হবে।
2009 একটা 2017.
Yes.
Before taking my conversion, the location lying in Vendama. They are saying that to mention.
Yes. Yes, next.
Affidavit of service kept on record, their constitutionality and a challenge,
What is challenge?
constitutionality of a rule, but in our state,
Well,
There are-
before my learned friend starts, this should go before the tribunal. because the rule, my learned friend, challenges is framed under Article 309.
Which rule?
Well, it's at page 81.
Now, my lord, tribunal is, there is no such judge, my lord. So High Court in other matter also, my lord.
Is the tribunal functioning?
No, not at all.
Well, there is no judge, but well, what is being done is petitions are filed in the department, and then, my lord, from there, that, my lord, petitions under Article 323A and B are being moved before the division bench.
No, my lord, single bench also
The
taken up.
avenue is through the
Yes, yes, you must file a petition over there,
323.
and alleging that the petition cannot be heard because of
Mogul
absence
Sura
of judicial members. My lord, these are being taken up by, my lord, the division bench conferred with jurisdiction to take up Article 323 AB petitions.
Senior friend, my lord, SG, my lord, and the points of their whether petition is maintained before the High Court. In this respect, my lord, although I am not equipped, but in soft from the Mogul Sugar judgment, my lord, is well aware of the fact that if the rule is challenged, my lord, it can.
No, no, no. But tribunal can always look into the rules, except
Its own rules.
yes,
Alternative,
except by which it has been constituted.
Its own.
the alternative remedy, if it's violate the fundamental right, my lord, in Mogul Sugar, my lord, I can cite it that, my lord. Later, but
No, but then if 323A is available, then why don't you avail that?
my lord, tribunal is not function. My lord.
That is what he's saying. You file it and go to the division bench.
But tribunal is not functioning, my lord. What is the use of that, my lord? That's the, and the, in respect of, my lord, Mogul Sugar judgment, my lord.
You want to show? Please show.
So,
Next
my
day?
lord, yes, yes.
When?
Any,
Next week.
Next week.
Please come.
any day, my lord. I
The-
have that in pub form.
Page
আরে ওখানে
81.
ফাইল করে চলে আয় না এখানে
The
এক সপ্তাহ বসাচ্ছে কালকে ফাইল কর পরশুদিন এখানে ফাইল করে দে
My lord, my lord,
withdraw and go over there. Because this,
there's no use of that, my lord.
why?
Just of
Going there is a formality.
Yes, yes.
I understand.
For mere formality,
It's
nothing
an
more.
idle, empty formality. But why are you not appointing members over
that's the
there?
point. And that's the point, my lord.
There is a direction of
Without,
justice Cabinet
see-
possibly.
Millard, since Millard, the time of Justice Shivagnanam, Millard, a committee was constituted.
Yes, then what
Initially,
happened?
I was invited in that committee. I went and told the committee that I cannot stay in this committee because the statute does not permit me. The difficulty is that in that committee, the chairman of the or the outgoing chairman of the tribunal must be one of the members. Justice Pal had retired by that time. Therefore, they do not have an existing chairman to be brought in the committee.
If nobody is appointed and it had to be done within the
No,
tenure
then
of
that
the
was
chairman.
that was also resolved. That was also resolved. A request was made to Justice Pal. Justice Pal was kind enough to keep the request. So he participated in the committee. Advertisements were published. Thereafter, no, I do not know Millard, what had happened because I had come out of that committee.
Most of one of them.
But then, being the post, you are holding the post of the AG, you should at least ensure that these
Yes, yes, definitely.
tribunals function. Otherwise, the consumer protection, the consumer forum, non-functional. Here, the tribunal, non-functional. Where will the litigants go?
Yes.
Right, right, right.
And
But at least the Supreme Court has taken care of this
thousands of
by saying that you can come so long the tribunals do not function. 226, 227 are
If
available.
that be so, then we can
Yes, yes.
No, but
take up this.
before the division bench. But before the division, otherwise, Millard, it will be a quorum non-judice. Now because of the statute, but I don't mind my learned friend moving the High Court. Only thing is, it should come through the proper procedure. Otherwise, Millard, people will say, "What was the AG
Please
doing?"
come. The recruitment rules to the post of assistant master / mistress. এটাকে কপি করবেন তো from এত
It's a big rule.
it's a big name.
Four-line name.
Ordinary rule.
Because
Is
that includes the
dated.
NIGS school.
Oh, yes, yes. Integrated.
Is impugned
From
in
the
the
BRT.
instant writ petition. Stop. The Learned Advocate General submits that the petitioner
জবকে
ought
ফাইল
to
করেন সেটাই বেটার
move the West Bengal State Administrative Tribunal as the rules relate to the school education department. Up next, the learned advocate representing the petitioners draws attention of the court to the fact that the tribunal is not functional at present due to non-availability of members. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned advocate general that the petitioner ought to file the petition before the tribunal and thereafter approach the honorable division bench of this court under Article 323A of the Constitution of India. Stop next. You withdraw
Yes, that otherwise, it will.
the learned
The
advocate for
point
the
of-
petitioner.
on that point,
Speech time.
we cited.
It will be delayed.
Yes, yes, on that.
Acha.
I will cite it, Mogod Sugar.
Seek time to, no time, seeks leave to withdraw the writ petition
ফাইনালি আইনের
so that
চর্চা হবে।
the petitioners can approach the
ঠিক বললাম।
State Administrative Tribunal. Stop. Leave sought for stands allowed. Stop. The writ petition stands dismissed as withdrawn. Stop. It will be open for the petitioners to approach the competent forum in accordance with law, if so advised.
Yes,
This is taken on record. Next.
ঠিক আছে।
Lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioners in this matter. Well, it's a
Yes.
very unfortunate case of the petitioners I have come from for your lordship's compassion and the kind consideration of the School Service Commission. My lord, kindly straight away come to page 34 for once. Page 34.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see there are 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll number. Page 34.
Yes.
Roll number. There are boxes and there are marking this bubbling. This is called bubbling. Venue code, booklet serial number, subject code, and booklet series. My lord, my booklet series is C. But my lord, your lordship will find I have circled all the boxes, but I have not circled C. Admitted position, I have not circled. I have written the booklet series number.
1 minute. Where are you getting this C?
The
Booklet series C.
Booklet series C. Kindly see this A, B, C, D written below.
Yes.
I have not circled C,
Yes.
whereas I have circled others. I missed out. I admittedly, my lord, I missed out.
Yes.
For that reason, my lord, kindly come to page 35. Next page.
Yes.
My marks were withheld. Remarks, series not bubbled.
Hmm.
Rightly so, my lord. I cannot argue on this point, my lord. I candidly submit. With all fairness, my lord, I have come for your lordship's compassion. My lord, because of this mistake on my part, it has happened. I surrendered before lordship. This has happened because of my mistake.
So what is to be done?
Only one thing, my lord, I have written to the commission that has yet to be considered. Only one thing I would like to show. This is the invigilator's instruction. Kindly see the last paragraph, which says it is the responsibility of the invigilator also to check all the 5 blocks and then put the signature. Possibly it has escaped the attention of the invigilator also. Kindly see the last paragraph. Check this in both in English and Bengali. Sir,
কি করবো sir?
Check bold letter that all candidates have
at the
filled.
bottom. At the bottom, kindly see.
Huh?
Check this one. Check that all candidates have filled items number 1 to 5 of the answer sheet OMR correctly. Otherwise, the OMR sheet cannot be evaluated. So possibly he has also missed out. He has also not checked and put the signature. So, my lord, I am responsible for.
Oh, check that all candidates. This is instruction to the invigilator.
Yes. Now the
Stars required to perform.
invigilator was supposed to check those 5 blocks which I placed before lordship. So possibly he has also missed out and put his signature and the OMR was submitted.
You got this copy of the OMR immediately after you sat in the examination?
Yes, I approached the SSC on 23rd, 14th was the examination. 23rd
Yes.
September, I mailed them that I have
Right.
committed this mistake. Kindly consider this. I have written, but so far as petition number 1 is concerned, she's a job loser, and this is her last chance to appear in this examination.
Job
So-
loser means?
I mean, the untainted
Untainted.
candidate job loser. And petition number 2 is a fresher candidate. She has written on 11th of November. 23rd September, when I got the understanding that I have not done after receiving the OMR sheet, then and there I approached the commission. My representation, my lord, is at page 37.
Yes.
I have written to the commission that I have committed the mistake. Kindly forbear me. Kindly make the correct necessary steps. Take the necessary steps after detection of this. When I received the OMR sheet, my lord, I got to know, though do not have anything to substantiate my submission, that in case of this roll number and all, these mistakes of human errors have occurred, possibly subject to correction by the commission. They have overlooked these mistakes, subject to correction. They have subject to correction. I do not have anything to substantiate. I'm submitting, my lord.
Yes.
They have possibly they have allowed these. There is some venue code was missing, some roll number was missing. I do not have anything I candidly submit before lordship. I can only pray for your lordship's compassion and their kind consideration. If my lord
I do
can
not
be,
know. I am.
I have written a
Let the commission
representation.
Sir, cannot be
I-
done.
Cannot be done.
Look, kindly see just why I'm saying, kindly see the instructions or that Bengali, it is written also in Bengali,
Where?
that after that,
Where?
Page
in the
34.
OMR
Page
sheets,
34.
OMR answer sheet,
Hmm.
পেজ 34 ইভেন বেঙ্গলি উত্তরপত্রে উল্লিখিত ক্রমিক 1 থেকে 5 পর্যন্ত তথ্য শতাংশ এই যথাযথভাবে লিখতে হবে এবং সেই অনুযায়ী সার্কেলগুলি পূরণ করতে হবে, অন্যথায় উত্তরপত্র মূল্যায়ন সম্ভব নয়, উত্তরপত্র বাতিল বলে গণ্য হবে।
Yes.
And everything has been done now, finished.
Too late.
That
Please come.
just only one humble submission. That was the responsibility of the invigilator also.
No, no, no.
He has also missed
Sir,
out.
primarily, it was your
My
responsibility.
representation
Your
be
answer
considered.
please come.
It is pending. My
No, no, no,
representation
no,
be considered by them.
No use. No use.
Participate in the second SLST stuff.
করেছে।
Submission is that due to inadvertent error, the petitioners did not circle and shade the booklet series in the OMR sheet, though the booklet series was mentioned by them. Stuff. The petitioners rely on the, not rely, refer to the instructions given to the invigilator, wherein it has been mentioned that it was the
কোনটা কি নাম্বার?
duty of the invigilator to check that the candidates filled up all the items correctly. Otherwise, the OMR sheet cannot be evaluated by the system. Stop. It has been submitted that a representation from the petitioners is pending consideration before the commission. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to consider the same sympathetically. Stop. Learned counsel representing the commission submits that the results have already been declared. Results of the written examination have already been declared, and at such a delayed point of time, there is no scope for to evaluate the answer script of the petitioners. Stuff. The OMR sheet clearly mentions regarding shading and circling of the booklet series. Stuff. It appears that the same has not been done. Stuff. At such delayed point of time, after declaration of result, the prayer made by the petitioner cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and it's hereby dismissed. Service is taken on record.
Ninth. Eight to that. No, I am appearing for the respondents.
Yes,
I'm appearing for the respondents. They have challenged the virus.
of
That they are 10 experience months.
Private teachers.
Private.
yes.
That prior teaching experience mark. All that
They
have been kept on.
They are the petitioners are the freshers
Yes, my lord, freshers unaided school teacher, my lord, recognized by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, Government of West Bengal, my lord. So they are also entitled of prior teaching experience marks. And keep it on 28 because first in the constitutionality of 10 marks, my lord. If that's sustained, then my lord, they are also entitled. That's my contention. The teacher, they are also the teacher of a unaided school.
All right. So 28th. List the
28th.
matter on 28th.
28, so many matters. Chalo. Develop list.
A video service. my lord.
Yes, service is taken on record.
ও তো হবে না। চলো।
Malad, 10, Malad, I am for the petitioner. The last occasion, this honorable court directed the
I for
board,
the statement.
your lordship kind
There was a direction for filing report.
I find.
by the board,
Board.
by the board. Malad,
Show
so
me the
far-
report of the board.
I am filing the report as the DI, my lord, the last
No, no, the board's report.
board, my lord.
Kohli Bhattacharya is appearing in this matter.
Appearing
Malad,
on behalf of the board.
so far I got this information that the board after the order dated 28th October, this order has been passed by the board. Malad, here is the question is regarding Malad, the petitioner's husband, Malad was in jail.
Went on duty.
And that is Malad leave with pay. Malad,
Leave
it has
with
been,
pay.
yes, Malad.
Hmm.
So Malad, the board,
Decision on basis of
yes, Malad, that now the board has already been, decision has been taken.
right.
That the regarding the in the jail period what will be the calculated, that is the leave with pay.
Yes.
Now your lordship kindly direct the DI
Take
to
into consideration of this and proceed.
and Mala the proceed with the pension
All right.
papers of the deceased husband of the petitioner, and
Please come.
the family pension may be given in accordance everything within a stipulated period, Mala. That is my only prayer.
The
এটা তো
um,
বোর্ডের এটা তো
communication made by the Deputy Secretary within bracket General of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education.
Mala mix
I'm having
What is
আমি একটা দিয়েছি, আমি একটা দিয়েছিলাম এটা
Memo number
কি
speed post memo number and
না ওটা এখনো পাইনি মানে এখন
এই নাই কি দেন
বোর্ড
ভোটটা দেন
my lord, it has not been affirmed, but my lord, this is prepared.
affirm and file it.
I'll affirm it within course of this day.
Dated 7th November
একটা দেবে
2025.
কপি
আরে হয়নি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হয়নি তো
তুমি একটা
Has been
রিপোর্টটা দাও
লিখলাম শুরু করলাম কি দিয়ে
একটা কপি দিয়ে দিন
has been forwarded to the
নেই মানে
school conveying the decision of the board as regards to regularization of the period of absence of the
ছবি তুলে না
husband of the petitioner since deceased.
তাহলে করে নিয়ে নাও মাসটা হয়ে যাক অফিসিয়ালি কাজটা সেরে নিই।
The board has taken a decision that the period of absence of the husband of the deceased being an ex-group D staff of the school for the period from 12th April 2022 to 12th November 2023 on account of his detention in legal custody shall be treated as spent on duty. Stop. In case the deceased had leave to his credit, comma, the said period of absence shall be considered as leave with pay. Stop. The board opined that the admissible benefits should be paid to the petitioner for distribution among all the legal heirs Stop. As paragraph D, as it appears that the board has already taken a decision and the same has been communicated to the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purulia. Accordingly, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the DISE Purulia to take steps for preparing the documents relating to the terminal benefits of the deceased employee at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools shall ensure that the petitioner receives all the terminal benefits as admissible positively by 31st of March 2026. Disposed. This leave the
It is not affirmed, my lord. I'll submit.
take a note, otherwise you will
My
miss.
lord, only one thing may I say, my lord, that DI after preparation of all things, my lord, send it to the director of pension. And my lord, so my lord, there should be a direction upon director of pension also.
I have mentioned that the DI will do everything within 12 weeks and you should receive pay within 31st March. So 1 month extra time has also been given, keeping in mind the DPPG issue.
Good.
Next. 11.
Date ke lage.
Odia Medium School.
Yes, my lord. There, my lord, I committed a mistake here. Because I had submitted to your lordship that I preferred ODM medium school. My client says she did not. Because she passed from a ODM medium school. That was the problem for which she was verbally stated that you cannot get any employment in Bengali.
All right, let me see what the commission has to say.
Yes, my lord, I have taken
State, who's appearing? State?
But state, my lord, I tried to, my lord, serve upon my learned senior, my lord, Dotto, the learned GP, my lord. But, my lord, he wanted me to serve again, my lord, to the office the twice by giving a date of 48 hours after. So,
When did you serve initially?
my lord, initial service I could not show. Even to
There
my
is no
learned senior.
service. Then?
So this is why, my lord, I just could not my lord, get this, my lord, copy served upon the learned GP's office. He wanted me to serve afresh by giving a 72 hours later date.
Order was passed on 4th.
My lord,
Yes. You got any information?
My instruction is, my lord, he was, my lord, enlisted for, my lord, Odia medium school in group for group C post. Now, my lord, we sought for vacancies from the
No vacancy was found.
no vacancy was given in the Odia medium.
Please
That's why he could not.
And represents the state. Let copy of the writ petition
Yes.
be served in the office of the learned government pleader.
my lord.
Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents. Shall take instruction with regard to the fate of the initial application made by the petitioner in the year 2022 and the subsequent application of the year 2024 seeking compassionate appointment.
My lord, subject to correction, this cannot be said by the state. This application is made to the commission.
No, the state is required to
The state is required, undoubted. But this
take the
application,
instruction with regard to vacancy.
I want that as well. But my lord,
Yes.
the applications are made to the commission.
No,
That has-
my lord,
once again,
my lord, I have got
Sir,
instruction in respect
and
of his
comment.
2022 application. Because my lord, the subsequent application perhaps not it has not reached. My lord, I will take further
Take
instruction.
instruction because that is already the order.
Yes, yes.
Acha. Released.
Any.
Released. आज के तो 18 4th of December.
Grateful, my lord.
Grateful.
And I'm sorry, my lord, for not serving.
আচ্ছা প্রদীপ ওখানে না ভ্যাকেন্সি পজিশনটা একটু জানতে হবে কি বললাম and the vacancy position where the petitioner can be accommodated.
Grateful.
এই খেলা এনে ভাই
For the petitioner.
My lord, on the last occasion, kindly peruse the last order, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord was pleased to direct me, my lord, to come with the, my lord, instruction with regard to the, my lord.
Calculation of the family
Yes,
income.
my lord. একটু দিন তো এটা।
Yes.
Lord, here, my lord, it is given. এই যে দিন,
How much?
my lord, it is, is
আগের পাতাটা
দেখেছি। The family income is 36,364 and the group D salary of group D staff is, my lord, at point of time as per calculation 16,140. Therefore, my lord, it is not a case to,
Family income is 36,000. Where from are you getting that?
my lord, in, my lord,
In terms of government orders,
in
that and such.
4, my lord,
Pension.
point number 4, my lord, elaborate
Yes.
given.
Pension, what is the other income?
There is no other
My
income.
lord, in terms of here it is
Well,
written, my
they have added both the income. Well,
Yes.
enhanced family pension and family pension.
my lord, the add other income
What
And
is the other income?
in terms of income certificate.
Yes,
issued by the-
23,000 is the pension amount that is being received.
Kindly
Yes.
come to pension.
Yes, I
Pension
see.
has been included.
But my lord, this amount, my lord, which is come under the heading, my lord, other in terms of the, my lord, other incomes in the within bracket, my lord, in terms of income certificate issued by the Sabhapati, my lord, this is the
annexed to
amount.
document 23,750 is the document annexed to the writ petition. That is the pension amount.
Then, my lord, I shall
Kindly
file-
turns to page 27 of the writ petition.
Ah,
The income
26,
certificate has
26.
and
Yes,
page 27, my lord.
yes, yes. That is the amount mentioned in the PPO.
that is the pension amount. Family pension bracket, it is mentioned family pension. See page 27.
Yes.
It is mentioned family pension. It's not that he has landed property, he has business or something where from he gets his earning.
Well,
That-
that was from the PPO itself. It appeared from the PPO itself.
60% বাদ গেলে কত হচ্ছে?
এটা 60% বাদ দিয়েছে।
না, এর 60% বাদ গেলে হচ্ছে,
এর 60%
বাদ গেলে 12,000 হচ্ছে, তাই তো?
Then
my lord,
Family income is, my lord, 12.
Yes.
614. Please come.
এটা দেখো এখানে
There is the report filed by the
না না এটা আমি ঠিক আছে।
District Inspector of
look
School, Secondary Education, South
দেখেছি, I
24.
am thinking about this one. How it has been written.
It appears
by
that
the DI.
the authority found that the, not found,
Hmm.
calculated the family
দেখেছি।
income of the petitioner as rupees 36,364. As per the calculation, it appears that the family pension received by the petitioner has been added to ascertain the family income of the petitioner. Stuff.
Other income.
The DI is directed to revert with proper calculation with regard to the other income of the petitioner. Stop the calculations that be made in terms of the relevant government order. Released when? Next week?
Lordship,
25 তারিখ 25th.
on
Next Tuesday, 25th.
my lord, I could not follow. What is to be done by me, my lord?
36,000 you have found.
Lordship,
How it is coming to 36?
Lordship. This explanation is required.
And for the petitioner, my lord.
Lordship.
My lord, in earlier occasion, I was directed to add the board as a party, and I have served notice upon the party also.
Which board? West Bengal board?
West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, my lord.
West Bengal has not been implemented. Relief is granted. Where is the service?
I have not yet received. বাসন্তী
Where is
পাত্র,
this-
I don't know. কাকে দিয়েছেন? ওখানে পাঠিয়েছে? Not yet reached, your lordship. কবে পাঠিয়েছেন?
ফার্স্টে পোস্টালি পাঠিয়েছি, আবার হ্যান্ড রিসিপ্টও পাঠিয়েছি।
কবে? গতকাল। মানে it was yesterday it has been
Yesterday
served.
it was served.
Yes.
Earlier served on by postal, my lord, as you not confirmed,
lordship-
again hand receipt has been.
Lordship, here the letter is dated 12th November. That means he have posted on 12th November.
Yes.
So it not received, your lordship.
Today is 18th. 1 week has elapsed. Anyway, you take instruction, please come. To allow the learned advocate representing the board to take instruction in the matter in terms of the direction passed by the court on 6th November 2025. Released on 25th, next Tuesday.
এই আমার নামটা একটু দিয়ে আগেরটা 1 minute এটা স্লিপ ডাউন
14.
My lord, I am for the petition.
My lord, I am for the teacher in charge of the school, my lord.
I am for
My
the
lord, pursuant to my lord's direction, my lord. My lord, I have brought the relevant record, my lord, pertaining to the admission of the student, my lord. Wherefrom it refuses, my lord, the student, my lord, has failed in class 9 examination, annual examination, my lord. And he took admission on 9 January 2024, my lord. And my lord, he persistently, my lord, remains absent in the class in the school, my lord. She failed in class 9 due to our mistake, my lord.
Not she, but it's a he.
He was promoted to class 10, my lord.
Why did you promote?
But
Despite failing?
it was our mistake, my lord, clerical mistake, my lord. Yes, my lord. Seems
Promotion is a mistake.
but there is another name by namesake, my lord. That's what my lord, the inadvertent mistake, my lord. He was promoted to class 10, my lord. That is
My
our,
lord,
my lord, the mark
It
sheet.
appears from the records that they have got the admission fees for class 10.
How could you take the admission fee
But,
if the candidate has failed in class 9?
But
Now they say that.
the teacher in charge is present, my lord. My lord, we are ready to refund that amount, my lord.
Now when the petitioner comes to court, you are ready to refund. How much extra money was taken to promote him?
But no extra money was taken, my lord.
No extra money was
extra
taken. You promoted a failed candidate.
My lord, regarding
Due to our mistake,
registration,
my lord, on the part of the clerical mistake, my lord, he was, my lord, the promoted.
Can this be a clerical mistake? You are
Since-
playing with the fate of the students.
But kindly sees, my lord,
my lord, kindly give me a copy of the attendance register, what they have said, because these ought to be. My lord, let them file a affidavit to that extent, my lord,
but
that it is their clerical mistake.
but he attended.
I will just read out a few marks of the candidate. I do not know whether this is proper or not. In Bengali, the candidate got 1 out of 40. In English, 2. And in geography, history, life science, mathematics, 1. And in physical science, 0. This is your marks. How
I
could
don't
you
know,
get
my lord,
admission
whether they
in
have.
class 10?
অ্যানুয়াল পরীক্ষায় মার্কস গুলো পেয়েছে বাংলায় 1 in class 10 he has given 2 exams since class 10, April and August.
Yes. Right.
No. And this is the final examination of class 9. They have produced now.
This is only one session. Out of 50. And you know,
My lord.
there is something.
My lord, it
very
is
fishy.
disputed by my client that he has given Bengali 1. This has been disputed by my client.
1 minute. A candidate gets 1 out of 40. And in the internal examination, the candidate gets 9 out of 10. Suddenly his quality improves to such extent. Or the school is giving gratis.
But it is a practical examination, my lord.
He's so good in practicals. Somebody who doesn't know the theory is so good in practicals.
Practical na project.
Huh?
But it is a project, my lord. As per instruction, my lord, it's a project of the.
He is getting 1 out of 40 And in the internal examination, he gets 10 out of 10. Something is wrong with the school and the mode of teaching.
But maybe is it a project malad is to be prepared in the malad the home malad?
Yes. So somebody else is preparing. What is your submission? That the student is not preparing somebody else. You are evaluating somebody else's work.
No, malad. Malad
What
kindly
no?
appreciate the marks and the malad the conduct of the student malad. Malad the he attended 28 classes in class 9 on in 8 malad the class 10 he attended malad the class only malad 8 classes malad. He persistently remains absent from the classes malad. Attendance register reveals malad.
Show me.
The rule provides your lordship for appearing in Madhyamik at least 75% attendance in class 9 and class 10. Each classes is required. Rule provides.
Correct.
When was this result prepared? Failed? When was it prepared? After the
In
court
December.
order.
In December 2024.
December 24. The writ petition is filed in 25. And when was the incorrect result handed over to the petitioner?
This is the attendance register of
What is his name? Muhammad Rahan Sheikh.
But it is uploaded in the website. But it is uploaded in the Bangla Shikha portal mailer. It is downloaded from the Bangla Shikha portal.
Is it the petitioner's certificate? Are you sure?
Yes, madam. My instruction is yes.
Because the name of the petitioner is Raja Sheikh. Is the
Raja Sheikh is the father, madam.
father?
Malad.
All right. Muhammad
Mad-
Rahan Sheikh.
Serial number 1, my lord.
Serial number 1.
Rahan Singh.
What, how to understand what is the attendance?
But it is if it is blank, my lord, he remains absent, my lord.
Remains absent. But then I can see your registered, the entire school remains, class remains absent.
Yes, ma'am.
No use. What does the teacher do over there? Just go and they gossip
My lord,
and they come back
no, my lord.
without any students.
But there are other students are there, my lord. But
See,
other sections are there, my lord. Only but it is perhaps, my lord, it is section C.
there are 42 students in the class.
But in section C,
Section C, 10C, I can see
But-
42 students.
but out of 166 students in class 10, total 165 candidates registration have been done. Only the registration of this student is left out.
All right. How many students in class 10C attend the school on regular basis? Out of 42.
But 10 or 12, my lord.
10 or 12.
And in some days, my lord, 4 or 5 students.
Malad, this question,
Bir-
Malad, if 10 and 12 is Malad, the attendance, then all these 10 and 12 can be registered.
How can it be 75% you are sending it to the Madhyamik examination?
No, my lord, the if
This is also violation of rules by the school itself.
And
But
Malad,
if
only
the-
one thing, Malad, may I put to this, Malad, this question to me. If it is so hard that the attendance, for the purpose of attendance, the person concerned is not doing the registration. But my client, Malad, says that her mother went to the school in class 9. He already filled up the registration form, and it is the school's duty, probably school doesn't send it to the board. And now they say, and come back with this. Malad, this is what can be done, Malad. I don't know, Malad. I can't understand, Malad. My client's mother says that yes,
With the marks that you've got,
yes, Malad. I understand. I
sent
understand,
up.
Malad. But my
Look
client,
at the register over here. All dots. That means everybody is absent. All dots. Nobody is present in school.
In
Just
spite
see.
of that, Mala, how can
All
the school
dots.
send all these students, promote them to class 10 and then to
This is the class 10 register. All dots. There is hardly a day where more than
মার্কশিটটা দরকার আমি তো ওনাকে আনতে বলি
4 students or 5 students attends.
But I dispute over this mark sheet, my lord. This should be given to me, and I want to know that whether it is made up later on, my lord.
But it is uploaded in the website, my lord. If he also
There is the website.
Bangla Shikha portal.
And when was it uploaded?
In December 2024.
All mark sheets are uploaded over there, and anybody can see.
Anybody can access to the from the school by accessing through school, my lord.
It has to be accessed through the school, so the school can change the marks
No.
anytime.
Yes,
But after submission, my lord, it cannot be, my lord, altered, my lord.
After submission, it cannot be altered. Please check up if this is the way the school is functioning. Then how can 75% attendance
No,
be?
they are not. I just asked him. He said that if we don't send, the guardian will come and beat us. This is the version of the.
Exactly. This is what is happening. Something is there at the top. Superficially, you are showing so many schools are running, 26,000 teachers, their appointment process and everything, and see what exactly is happening.
Until and unless we get a correct facts and figure from the school forwarded to us, we don't know about it.
Difficulty, your officer is also not interested. All part
These
of the
schools are-
system.
These schools are under direct control of DI.
Yes, the DI, the board, nobody is better. Please come.
My lord, kindly give me the mark sheet, please.
এটা একটু দিন
One
তো
second.
ওনাকে দেখতে দিন the attendance register of the
আপনার mark sheet চাই।
son of the petitioner and the marks obtained by the candidate in class 9 has been placed before this court. Stop. It appears that the petitioner hardly attended classes in class 9.
ফেল করেছে
Son of the
সবে তো ফেল
candidate attended the classes, hardly attended classes in class 9, and he failed in the class 9 annual examination. Stop. According to the school, the candidate has been wrongly promoted to class 10. Stop. The admission fee taken from the candidate on account of admission in class 10 has been sought to be refunded. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner disputes the marks obtained by his son in the class 9 examination. Stop. Paragraph. On a perusal of the documents placed before this court, especially the attendance register and the mark sheet, which is claimed to be uploaded in the Bangla Shikha portal, the court is not inclined to grant any relief to the petitioner. Stop. The school shall refund the admission fee to the petitioner. Stop. The writ petition dismissed. Stands dismissed.
And I have handed over the copy of the mark sheet to my learned friend, my lord.
It is your choice. Yes, yes.
না থাকুক আমার কাছে তুই তো এটা দিয়েছিস
The line লিখে দেবেন তো, the attendance registers produced in court is returned
ঠিক।
after perusal. You do one thing, make a photocopy of these attendance sheets so that it can be written with record.
My lord. In course of the day, my lord, I am.
Resulted photocopy. এই photocopy গুলো
Lordship, for item number 15, I am led by Advocate Shubhushai Chatterjee. He is currently engaged in court number 34. I am praying for a short passover.
Where is your supplementary
Your
affidavit?
Lordship, I have.
Please give. Did you serve?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, my lord.
No? Let me see. Supplementary 2.
No, sir. Your Lordship,
Affidavit of service.
Yeah.
That's a supplementary affidavit and the affidavit of service filed by the petitioner in court today is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the supplementary affidavit be circulated. Stop. Place the matter for further consideration on next Tuesday, 25th.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
দিন আরেকটা দাও তিনটে কপি লাগবে ওদের একটা দিতে
Make photocopy and please circulate. All right. Yes, next. And your name should be recorded. Only you.
my lord maintainability point be kept on record
What is the issue?
because my lord they have made a party only the managing committee of the school but there is no head who will represent the managing committee only the managing committee of the
What is the challenge?
challenge regarding the appointment of administrator when there is an elected managing committee in the school.
Then the DI's instruction will be required.
But I tell your lordship, this is not challenge to the appointment of the administrator.
No, appointment, they seek for
Seeking-
administrator.
Who is seeking? A teacher in charge is seeking for removal of the president of the school. Can he do that? I can understand the teacher or the guardians of school and the peoples and the guardians are coming forward.
Let us see, in case you say there is some defect, then it can be rectified so that the matter can be heard. The choice is yours. I do not.
Point out before your lawsuit that choice, my lord, not my land.
Anyway, next matter.
Grateful.
For the petitioner, my lord. My lord, kindly come to page 94.
Yes.
My offline transfer application has been forwarded towards the end of the DI. Page 94. Then, my lord, DI passes the impugned order at page 99.
You made party DI Malda.
Hawaii party, yes, sir.
It will be Purulia.
So, my lord, kindly come to page 99.
Where are you teaching, in Malda or Purulia?
Purulia.
Purulia.
It will
And
be
94 is DI Purulia.
Yes,
Purulia.
I made party also.
Page 99 is Purulia. Party you've made Malda?
Both, I think. May I just check for once?
Connection, respond number 5, DI Malda.
Purulia is not there at all. You need
My
to
lord,
rectify it.
leave may be granted. My lord, I'll be doing this.
Next.
My lord, kindly come to page 99.
Yes.
He rejects on the ground that the portal is temporarily suspended, which has already been held by the division bench. This is the order. The temporary suspension of portal is no ground to withhold transfer. Page 99.
I am representing school authority. My lord, school authority
Has given
given no objection.
Yes, school has no role to play.
Please come. The petitioner seeks transfer. He or she, Anupam, his application for transfer with no objection of the school was forwarded to the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purulia. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools rejected the prayer for transfer on the ground that there is no scope for processing transfer application offline and the Utshosri portal is suspended. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the petitioner relies on the judgment delivered by the Honorable Division Bench of this court on 5th December 2024 wherein the court was of the opinion that a teacher is entitled to seek for transfer and such right emanates from the statutory provisions. It is obligatory on the part of the authority to take a conscious decision thereupon. Stop. Mere suspension of the facility cannot ipso facto repeal the statutory provision, nor can curtail the statutory right. Stop. Even if the portal is suspended, comma, there is no difficulty on the part of the authority to take printout of the application and process the same manually in terms of the statute. Paragraph. In the instant case, the transfer application of the petitioner could not be considered, not could not, was application petitioner was rejected only on the ground of suspension of the Utshosri portal and portal and the petitioner not being able to submit application online. The same cannot be held to be a valid ground in terms of the judgment delivered by the Honorable Division Bench in the matter of Mithun Rai within brackets Supra. Step next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the District Inspector of Schools, Purulia, to take a decision on the application for transfer made by the petitioner after taking into consideration the no objection given by the school. The aforesaid respondent shall consider the case of the petitioner on the hard copy of the documents that will be forwarded by the petitioner. A decision shall be taken by the authority at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. The fate of the application shall be made known to the petitioner. Stop. If the application of the petitioner is allowed, comma, then necessary consequential steps shall be taken by the authority without any further delay. Disposed.
I am supposed to submit again.
I shall leave granted the advocate on record of the petitioner to amend the description of the respondent number 5 in the cause title of the writ petition. Stop. The proper respondent will be the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purulia.
My lord has said that I'll be again submitting the copy. I've already submitted. She said will be submitted to the DI.
On the basis of the documents already available in the records of the District Inspector of Schools.
And my lord, with all fairness, I detect one thing from the affidavit of service. The Sharthak authority has authority has committed a mistake in their, not on my part. It is on 18th of November the matter was supposed to appear. In their slip I find it is 18th of December they have done. It is for the state advocates. I'm just, with all fairness, I'm drawing your lordship's attention.
Anyway, the commission is
Yes,
there and
the
the school
appropriate
is there,
authorities
record their presence.
Very well. Grateful.
Seventeen.
Seven, my lord.
For the state, my
My lord, kindly, it's a similar matter. My lord, kindly come to page, the application.
Commission, are you there? Yes, please.
My lord, kindly 107.
107.
The same thing, that temporary suspension of portal. That's why it has not been allowed. I'm showing the notifications.
Yes.
First, kindly come to page 94. That is the latest notification of 939. Your lordship will, in my writ petition, lordship will find all the notifications. My lord, kindly find this notification, which had extended the time for this suspension of portal. Last paragraph your lordship takes, except mutual transfer till 31st of December 2025, it has been extended. So relying upon this, he has rejected.
All right.
The similar order, my lord.
Same order can be passed. It will be DI Secondary education, Nodia. And what is the 21 notification?
21 notification is it is also annexed. It initiates the Uchosri portal. Initiation. I'm showing for your lordship
আরে
satisfaction.
না এখানে শুধু সাসপেনশন অফ উচ্চশ্রী পোর্টাল আর কিছু না আরেকটা তো বলেছিলাম সেম করলেও হবে কারণ অফলাইন কিছু হচ্ছে না ঠিক আছে সেম থাক কোনো অসুবিধা নেই
চলে যাবো পরে না ওটা চলে গেলে মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে আপনি রাখুন আমি নিচ্ছি
ইয়েস
আমি ওখানে কারেকশন করছি মাল গ্রেট টু লর্ডশিপ নেক্সট No,
18
yes my lord this is my lord the school has given no objection certificate. This is offline application made.
in the earlier one was no objection there.
That's why it has gone to DI and then DI.
Oh no, yes, but then have you annexed the no objection? Are you sure?
No, I need to check my lord. I need to check my lord. What happens, I send it to the DI and commission also. So maybe receiving my application, DI has written that.
Yes.
Possibly.
আচ্ছা তাহলে
May I just check once?
এর আগেরটা 17 নম্বরে নো অবজেকশনটা হবে না
আগের পিটিশনটা দেখি একবার আগের পিটিশনটা এটা আগেরটা আপনি জাস্ট ম্যাম কাইন্ডলি গিভ মি ওয়ান মোমেন্ট আই জাস্ট চেক ফর মাই আগেরটা আছে কিনা একবার দেখে নিচ্ছেন নো অবজেকশন একবার দেখে নি নো স্কুল হ্যাজ নট গিভেন নো অবজেকশন
নো অবজেকশনটা বাদ হবে
then in that case school will forward it to the DI in that order.
But is there anything to show that the school has received it?
Yes.
In item number 18 malad school had issued malad no objection.
Wait, 1 minute, this is 17.
17 17টা দিয়ে ছড়িয়ে দিচ্ছিস কেন হলো ব্যানার্জিটা Yes, school has received. That is at page number. This the delivery tracks are given. School has received. I have sent to all. School DI SSC.
17 নম্বরে ওটাকে না আপনি লিখে রাখুন তো ফাইলটা দেখি 1 মিনিট ফাইলটা দেখি আমিও এখানে রেখে দিই হ্যাঁ আমি একটু চেক করব পেন্ডিং বিফোর দ্য স্কুল মানে ডিআই এর কাছে অবধি যায়নি ঠিক আছে তাহলে স্কুলকে ডিরেকশন দিতে হবে যাতে ডিআই কে পাঠানো হয় আমাদের যে অর্ডারটা আছে ইয়েস yes 18
my lord 18 my lord kindly come to page 108 that is the school's NOC
yes
108 application starts from page 98 on self medical ground it has been given but I do not have the information whether school has forwarded it or not. It's internal between school and DI.
So
In
it is
case
pending before the school
in case it is not forward yes in case it is not forward because now I do not know in case it is in case school it will be forwarded to DI ma'am.
Yes, next 19
99 yes but in these matters also the Sharthok mistake is there. No, I should not say Sharthok mistake, but mistake committed by Sharthok.
Yes.
My lord, kindly straight away come to the page 92. There was a previous order of this honorable court, coordinate bench, to consider my pending transfer application. The relevant portion at page 93 is third last paragraph. Then, my lord, they take a decision at page 95. With reference to the above, I am to inform you that as per Uchosri portal, you have applied for transfer with only preferred school, namely Malda Academy High School. It appears from the portal that your rank is 4 in your preferred school. So my humble submission before lordship is today.
Yes.
Just because other applicants since 2022 had made applications and have not pursued, merely because during suspension of the portal, those applications may be 1,000 in numbers are pending, that does not create a bar for me for consideration. Because I have approached the court, I have sought for transfer since it was pending. And there is no concept of reserving the seat by making application in the transfer rules. There is no provision that once you have made the application, your seat is, your application is secured there. No, there is no reservation of my application.
Lord, as per the
আমি
rules,
একটু
my
বলবো,
lord.
একটা মিনিট, আর একটা মিনিট বলবো। So there is no provision to that effect in the rules. Merely for one school, there could be thousands of applicants. Just because there are 3 applications pending.
Let me understand how y'all
So far the rank is concerned, we have given some numbers, weightage, age, medical, that is why the rank. So he's not disputed his rank. Only question, he is giving one school. It is not possible for us to, my lord, to accommodate him without his or her consent to any other school. Let him apply afresh. We will consider, give the names of
tell me
other
one
schools.
thing, his rank is 4.
Yes.
What about the previous 3? Are they interested?
That I have to take instruction, because there are hundreds of applications and read petitions also moved.
Maybe. But then how long? This is of 2025, you say, and how did it pile up to 4? If there is one vacancy and there is one candidate, you can always fill it up.
Yes.
The fact that you've not filled it up and kept it pending, for what good reason?
No, we are not kept it pending. We are communicated him. Your rank is 4. Since you are giving only one school.
Your rank is 4. That means 3 candidates are there on top.
Yes.
What are you doing with those 3 candidates?
If first candidate do not join, second candidate
You
will be
take a
offered.
decision.
We'll take a decision, no doubt. But that I have to take instruction whether that school anybody has joined or not.
This is the thing. You are required to take instruction with regard to that also.
Yes.
As
If
to
it has been filled up, then
and how long will you keep the seat vacant in this manner, and you make the list grow long?
no, it is not my list going long. We are communicating it that your rank is 4. Now, some cases, this honorable court directs.
Your action does not end there by mere communication. When you prepare a list, that means the vacancy is there and there are candidates also.
Yes.
Why are they not being recommended?
My lord, subject to correction, my lord, of this honorable court, our action ends when a petitioner gives a particular vacancy.
Only one
in
thing, my
one
lord. May I
option.
just say one thing, my lord?
May I make
Till-
one?
Do you have any other
Yes.
choice?
I tell you, Lordship, there is a vacancy. Till 19th of June, this order was passed. Till date, they are not saying that vacancy has been filled up. Your Lordship has seen in other matters.
Yes.
They are not saying vacancy is filled up. They are saying 3 applications are pending since
I
2022.
understand. Do you have any other choice?
They may call me in case they, because the options are with them, because I do not know, because many schools have gone for second SLST. Many schools, teachers have come and joined. So I cannot say, my lord, because the portal is suspended. I have no access to that.
Please state over here.
The commission can give me the vacancy list, whatever vacancy is there.
May I make one submission? So this has been directed by this honorable court. In these cases, the petitioner should supply some other vacancies.
Cannot.
Why not?
How
If there is
can
any,
I know whether
and we
the
will
school
find
has
out
gone to
the
second
nearer
SLST?
school and we will accommodate.
They have the access to the
please come.
record. Well, this school is vacant. If not vacant, then any other school as per their choice.
Yes.
They may
We
show.
consider, yes, of course.
Yes. This should go then set aside. This should be set aside.
The
Option দিতে হবে তো আমি option কোথা থেকে পাবো?
That particular transfer application ended with that
prayer of the petitioner
Cannot be
seeking
kept pending
transfer
forever.
was considered by the commission, and a communication has been made to the petitioner on 19th June 2025. Stop. The 2025 stop now, mentioning that the position of the petitioner in his preferred school is 4. Position, the rank of the petitioner in his school is 4. Stuff. The the court has not been made aware as to whether the other 3 candidates ranked above the petitioner are interested to join the subject school or not. Stop. The commission is directed to grant an opportunity of hearing to the candidates to the petitioner and the other three candidates ranked above him to ascertain as to whether anybody is interested to join the vacancy in Malda Academy High School. If none is willing to join the school, then petitioner may be recommended for joining in the said school. Stop. If the vacancy at the above school is not available, then the petitioner shall be provided the names of the schools where there are vacancies for accommodating the petitioner near to his residence. Stop. Next.
My lord, then he has to make a fresh application, my lord.
After the consideration.
The
My lord, in the case of this is a distance ground application, it ends here, my lord.
No.
If the rank is 4, he has not given any option, my lord, it ends here. He has to apply afresh.
The vacancy is there, it is pending.
My lord, if your lordship, my
Shall
lord,
be
I fully
suspended.
agree, my lord, will give hearing. But if
Those
the
three candidates may be of 2016 batch. They may not even survive today.
it is not possible, my lord, to
Then
give
why have you
find out
kept
for a
a
distance
decision
ground.
shall be taken
I
by
could have understand it's a medical
No.
ground.
Why
at
distinction?
the earliest, but
Discrimination.
positively
between
within a
medical-
period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Writ petition stands disclosed.
Grateful.
My lord, will give hearing to the petitioner and other candidate.
All 4 of them.
As you-
আরে হার্দিক নেই সব 16 ক্যান্ডিডেট এটা বেরিয়ে গেছে হার্দিক দেখো না পাবেই না কাউকে My lord, kindly come to page 96. My offline transfer application. Previously, I came before this court. My application was pending. The Honorable Single Bench was pleased to allow me to make fresh application, pursuant to which I made the fresh application. And page 96, the school has forwarded. Page 95 and 96.
Yes,
School has forwarded to the DI. Since then, my lord, the
it is
DI
pending.
page 97, kindly come to 97. It has been sent to the chairman of SSC. Kindly mark the date 10th of July 2025.
Yes.
It has been sent to the commission. Commission is to take a decision. Meanwhile, my lord, I do not know whether page 99 is with your lordship. There is a document of 25th of July.
No, it is
Yes.
not there.
Just for reference, my lord, I am showing the now, my lord, it is since during pendency of this writ petition, my lord, commission communicates with me that you kindly make this application through proper channel, which I have already done through the DI, because DI has forwarded it to the commission. Page 9. This is a part of my writ petition. Somehow, my lord, it has not. Kindly see the date. It is prior to 10th of July. This is of 25th of July. But on 10th of July, DI has already sent it. Possibly there is some miscommunication between the commission and the DI, for which this letter has come.
Page 99, do you have?
He has. Yes, I just missed out from there.
Ashwin?
So this letter is
The
in fact
petitioner's application seeking transfer was routed through the school to the district inspector of schools and thereafter to the chairman of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. It appears that the secretary of the commission has communicated to the petitioner on 25th July 2025 to make application for transfer through the proper channel, that is through the school and the concerned district inspector of schools, for taking necessary action in the matter. Stop. Paragraph. From the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the commission received the application for transfer of the petitioner.
It was received on 6th August. That's why this
sent on 10th, received on 6th
for
August.
that, this was issued. Perhaps, my lord, he forwarded the application
Today,
directly.
communicating memo number 71/LS, page 97. slash PRL dated 10th July 2025. And the same appears to have been received by the commission on 6th
No,
August
it was sent
2025.
on mail also, page 98. 10th July, DI sent it to the commission by mail and hard copy on 6th August. Kindly see, this is 10th July.
Hard copy will be taken.
Mail to nicho tomra. DI party
A copy of the application was also mailed to the emailed korun to the commission on 10th July 2025. Come on. The commission possibly has overlooked the communication made by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education Purulia on 10th July 2025. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the Commission to take a decision on the prayer of the petitioner seeking transfer in accordance with the prevailing rules at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. The fate of the application of the petitioner shall be made known to him. Stop. If the prayer of the petitioner is allowed, all necessary consequential steps shall be taken without any further delay.
Grateful to Lordship. Much obliged.
Next.
Kindly come to page number 88. Similar to the previous matter, temporary suspension of portal, Mithun Roy's judgment I am relying upon. Page 88, kindly see the remarks returned by the DI right hand side.
Portal is temporarily
suspended. আরে দাঁড়া দাঁড়া তুমি আগে ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়ে
HOI
suspension না ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়ে চাপিয়ে বলতে দাও না
Yes.
order আছে the same my lord this Mithun Roy's that this temporary suspension is no ground.
Yes.
2022 rejection filed in 2025. 3 years.
Yes, the portal is also
It's
suspended
waiting.
since
Now
2022. I am
for
waiting.
judgment to come from the division.
My lord, it is
And
6.
the judgment also passed, my lord, in 2024. He could have come in 2024.
আচ্ছা এক বছর তো কয়েক মাসের জন্য খুব অসুবিধা হয়ে গেল
Which was the item number?
21.
20.
না 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 আগেরটা
21?
মিঠুনটা
Oh, that was 16.
16, 1-6.
অনুপম
Are you sure 1-6?
Yes, yes.
এই অনুপমের এই মিঠুন রায়টা দিলাম আপনি
16.
আরে ওখানে তো কারেকশন ছিল একটা
আরে জাজমেন্টের কপিটা তো আছে
না সিমিলার টু 16 হবে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি দেখছি অর্ডারে মিঠুন রায়টা নেওয়া হয়েছে কিনা তাহলে তো পেয়ে যাবে
নাম্বারটা বলুন
না আপনার ওখানে নেওয়া আছে মিঠুন রায়টা যেটা
আপনি কত থেকে নিয়েছেন?
Only correction part will be deleted.
My
Correction.
number is not there.
আরে ওই
Item number
ডিআইটা
16
ডিআইটা হবে না
আছে না?
মিঠুন
আচ্ছা, where is the school's no objection? It's not there.
no it has been sent since it has gone to DI with the no objection it goes to DI otherwise it will not be forwarded.
Is it there?
Yes
There,
page 88 serial number 2
last but
3rd of October 2022 HOI sends to DI transfer recommendation.
NO should be given properly.
So with the NOC it goes
Application being forwarded.
otherwise they
Transfer
will not
application
act upon.
will be given. You're not eligible due to score.
Forward.
They were forward, backward, lot of things happened.
Yes,
NOC should be given properly. DI has
they did not follow the properly.
serial
What
number
top?
of the rejection.
No, that I'm aware, but the NOC part.
Because the school was
Transfer may be given if candidate is eligible.
those were the previous
Recommendation
applications.
given HOI.
Yes.
Yes.
Just below the rejection.
তাহলে এখানে 16টা হবে একটা কারেকশনের ব্যাপার ছিল মালদা আর পুরুলিয়া ওইটা হচ্ছে না
May I just
DI has been properly described.
DI-টা
PISC Hooghly.
Hooghly.
দেখে
Hooghly disposed. Same as 16.
May I just say one thing in this regard? My learned friend has rightly pointed out this
Yes.
extension because every 6 months there comes a new notification
All right.
that it would be extended. Then we wait for the time to be revocation of the suspension. Then again another notification comes. So for 2 years, 6 months rotation is going on. So that is why we waited for resumption of it. That is the answer. Next.
Only thing the hard copy submit করেছিস DI
কেন করব অনলাইন থেকে করতে হবে দেখি আমার
Next 22.
acquisition lodge. My lord,
22, my lord, I am appearing for the state respondent, my lord.
All right.
Here this transfer application, my lord, which has been
Led by Mrs. Jyotsna Roy Mukherjee.
yes. So, my lord, on medical ground, on our own medical ground, my lord, has been, my lord, forwarded by the school after giving the NOC to the district inspector. So, my lord, I can take your lordship to the NOC as well. And what the district inspector says and mentions the notification of 30th of June, which, my lord, says about the suspension of the portal. For
Show me that.
the lordship, your lordship will see that I received after filing the state petition. I have annexed that as well as the notification of 30,
Annexed?
not annexed, I'm sorry about it.
Ah,
The NOC is at page 32.
this is September 25.
Yes. But I have received this afterwards, and this 30th June, my lord, is mentioned. Lordship will see 30th June. It is
Yes,
addressed to me.
Please come. The petitioner's application seeking transfer on self-medical ground stood rejected.
But this notification I did not annex, but that order of DI is annexed. Page 33.
On the ground of suspension of the Uchshasri portal. ঠিক আছে এক্ষুনি একটা আইটেম নাম্বার 16 হয়েছিল সেম অর্ডার আছে হ্যাঁ মিঠুন রয় ডিভিশন বেঞ্চের একটা অর্ডার আছে হুম 16 একটা কারেকশন আছে সেই কারেকশনটা হবে না আদারওয়াইজ ইট ইজ দ্য সেম অলরাইট
Grateful, man. But the affidavit of service be taken on.
Service is taken on record.
DI to consent.
My lord, I am appearing along with Mr. Vikramjit Mondal, my lord, who is physically present over the court. My lord, kindly record that.
Hey, Mamlat.
My lord, get
23.
deeply obliged. 23. My lord, kindly come to page 99. 23. Page 99, my application has been forwarded by the school to the DI. It's pending for consideration by the DI. Page 99. হ্যাঁ সার্ভিস অল কমপ্লিট আর জমা করে দিয়েছি হ্যাঁ সব ওই যে সব কমপ্লিট কমিশন আমি তো না করে পাঠাই না দাদা এই যে
Pending before the DI.
DI
Disposed.
grateful to lordship.
Service.
Now, my lord, this is a mutual transfer application. In the portal, the mutual transfer application is permitted now only. Kindly come to page 40. That is also pending for consideration. Let commission take a decision on that. My application, page 40.
Commission may be directed to consider.
Page 40, kindly see under process. My partner has accepted, right hand side. I am Kumaresh Pal. My partner is Omlan Bordhon. He has accepted status and now the department, it is under process. Next page is my partner's document, equivalent to my document. Kindly see.
No, only NOC is required, my lord, from the school.
That is for commission to obtain.
Commission.
That is for commission to obtain. But I do not think, my lord, NOC is required for
Yes,
mutual.
yes, yes. Because,
Acha,
my lord,
whatever.
if any disciplinary proceedings are
That is no problem.
Shuru,
This is online Uchshasri.
mutual transfer. ঠিক আছে commission is to take a decision but then a report from the district inspector of schools আমাদের order করা আছে for checking the vacancy status ঠিক আছে
My lord, in this matter, my lord, vacancy status are not relevant, my lord.
Why?
Because, my lord, A will be transferred to B and B will be transferred to A.
Absolutely one to the other.
Yes, mutual transfer. my lord.
Yes,
Only
but
the
the
NOC
place is also same.
So one school to another school, that is why accepted.
Yes.
Under process. So means there is a mutual, there is no loss of teacher or gain of teacher. One place to another, A to B, B to A. So vacancy.
All right.
My lord, DI may be directed to check the NOC. Proper NOC issued by the school.
আপনি দেখবেন একটু মিউচুয়াল ট্রান্সফার কমিশন আমাদের করা আছে কি করা আছে আমি দেখে নেব
Not the vacancy one.
I cannot remember it exactly what is there. Commission will take a decision on the mutual transfer.
The next day.
Yes. 25.
But I am for the state response.
Kindly come to page 123. School has.
Pending before DI.
DI. School has forwarded to the DI and it is pending for consideration, page 123.
Medical. Medical.
Self-medical.
They cannot.
Self-medical. Critical gynecological.
Yes, DI will take a decision.
DI will take.
After and
Check up.
by COH.
Necessary follow-up is to be done.
Yes, yes.
Consequential steps.
DI will consider. Medical.
Number 5.
Self-medical.
Self-medical.
And my lord, consequential steps within time.
Yes, yes, yes. In all matter, it is mentioned consequential.
8 weeks possible.
Yes.
Grateful to your lordship. Much obliged.
My lord, I appear for the state.
But I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My
Yes.
application seeking transfer on medical ground is pending before the self-medical.
Hmm.
On medical page 36, my lord, is pending before the school, my lord.
Pending before the school.
Yes, my lord. For NOC, my lord. Page 36, my lord.
Yes, self-medical ground pending before the school disposed. Next.
Great.
Lordship, last evening, my lord, I have received the brief, my lord, so I need to.
I am 27.
Take instruction, my lord. I have sought.
My lord,
Let me hear.
it is
3%
my lord,
additional.
additional increment of headmaster in a higher secondary school from the date of upgradation of the school. And this is for by my lord's judgment. And also the order of division bench.
Without instruction.
I have made the representation according to the
Page.
Go to 27 or same it. আপনার কত? 28.
All right, same order. Take back division benches order. Yes. Service. এইটা ফেরত দিয়ে দেবেন তো।
বলছে same
Return this. Next.
28 Lordship, I'm appearing for the state with Mr. Ratul Vishwas Lordship. He is the engaged court number 11 Lordship.
Your name will go down. Same order.
Without instruction Lordship, this matter. He instructed me.
3% disposed.
পেনটা দে তো এই দাদা নামটা
It is
নেই
also same.
Service. Served. All right, disposed.
Well, item 30, I am on behalf of the state. I don't know. I'm appearing on behalf of the state.
3%. All right, disposed.
30.
3%. $31. 3%. Service. Yes.
Half of the respondents, respondent number 6. I am hearing you.
Five increment has been stopped without any notice, without any cause, without any problem. In the would be liquidation. That was disposed of. That is my lord. I will see state to district. Directing the DI consider the case of the petitioner.
Then
Then the DI page 28. Page 28, DI passed the order and directed the headmaster of the school to the page 29.
yes.
The opinion that she won on the petition should be allowed all the due increment as was known and announced it done by the school authority and according claim of area salary would be submitted in the commissioner.
Then what happened?
Thereafter, only query after query. Nothing has been done. My
Did you serve the school?
My lord,
I have
DI
asked.
was not, DI has not been. ADI to be.
The state has been served.
My lord, this is a matter, my lord, what I find, my lord,
Who are you representing?
for the state lords.
All right.
Here, my lord, in fact, page 29,
Yes.
that's the decision we have taken.
Yes.
Now that is to be complied with either through the school and other.
Right.
So they are to, my lord,
Answer.
justify
I
why it is not
understand.
complied with. Because we don't have the papers, because records.
Who are you
absent,
representing?
everything
On
has
behalf
to be
of the headmaster, my lord.
Yes.
On different occasions, we are asking for the paper. Now,
paper?
ultimately,
Which
all
paper?
all the document which required for the now on 17 yesterday 17th November already as per the order of the administrator we have already supplied all the document
To whom?
for
Before the ADI.
before the ADI.
Please come. The petitioner is aggrieved as the school authority is not taking steps in terms of the direction passed by the District Inspector of Schools with a memo number 46 within bracket 4 hyphen law dated 22nd January 2025. Stop. The DI opined that the petitioner should be allowed all the due increment as per norms. Stop. Refixation of pay and allowances should be done by the school authority and the same is to be approved accordingly. Stop. The claim of arrear salary, if any, should be submitted to the concerned ADI / secondary education, Contai subdivision as soon as possible. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the school is intentionally and deliberately not taking steps to comply with the direction passed by the DI. Stop. Repeated queries are being made, and despite submission of all documents, the school is not taking follow-up steps in the matter.
All the records are lying in the school and ADI.
Stop. All records of the petitioner are available in the school. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the school submits that the service book of the petitioner along with a copy of the communication of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education regarding refixation of the scale of pay of the petitioner has been forwarded to the Additional District Inspector of Schools within bracket secondary education on 17th November 2025, that is yesterday. Stop. Next.
Also, will take note of page 48, where below the secretary.
Secretary, sanction the leave.
Page 48 also guideline has been given, lots of page 48. As the secretary of the.
The absence of the petitioner from 25th May 2015 to 18th August 2015 has been treated to be spent on duty. Stop. Next. The paragraph. As the District Inspector of Schools has already opined that the petitioner would be entitled to the increments as per norms, accordingly, the District Inspector of Schools is directed to ensure that the service benefit is actually credited in favor of the petitioner. Stop. It appears that yesterday, that is 17th November 2025, the school has forwarded the documents of the petitioner to the Additional District Inspector of Schools. Stop. The authority shall ensure that the records of the petitioner are made ready so that the benefit is transmitted to him at the earliest, but but positively within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of this order.
My lord, the
Stop.
claim of the arrears.
In the event there is any discrepancy in the records, the same shall be intimated to the respective party for immediate correction. Yes.
Claim of the petitioner has not been submitted as per order of the DI. Claim of the petitioner to be calculated by the school authority.
Yes, yes. All
17th have
papers,
submitted.
service book, your the copy of the letter of the wanting papers and everything.
Then no direction may kindly be given. If
The-
necessary, school will also provide all necessary
The
documents and
school
support.
is directed to render all cooperation to the DI and the ADI for implementation of the direction passed herein above. Disposed, this communication be written with the records. Do you have a copy?
Yes, madam.
Give a copy to the petitioner.
After getting it Xerox, I am giving.
Please do. In case you don't receive, mention before the court. Disposed. Service is taken on record.
রিসিভ করে নেব
হ্যাঁ রিসিভ করে নেব রিসিভ করে নেব
দেখি একটু
এর মধ্যে দুটো কপি কর
হ্যাঁ
না না
রিসিভ কর একটা
অথরিটি কোথায়
রেকর্ডে রাখবি আর একটা
33.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of state, my lord. High City Council.
West Bengal Board of Assembly Council is a party respondent. So although there is mistake on our part, we should not make them party, but we have started.
All right. And you are appearing. All right. Formal order will be passed. What is the matter about?
Here, madam, that
Leave granted to add the West Bengal Higher Secondary Council as party respondent in the instant writ petition. The council is already represented today. What is the matter?
Madam, the result is there was the alteration, addition, under the
Microphone.
in the answer script.
Yes.
We have noticed that under the RTI Act, we have got the answer script.
Mm.
The proper abbreviation was not marked.
Made.
Paragraph 8 and 9, we have categorically mentioned. Apart from that, if your lordship it is dekhao now. Page 17, if your lordship kindly have a look. 77. Original mark sheet is required to be produced. Original answer script.
79.
Page 77.
79, your lordship kindly come.
79.
79.
Hmm. What is to be looked into?
The alteration marks was given. You also got it. The answer script, first page, question and answer, and marks 1, 2, and 3A. 6, they are up cut off, I do not know. 3B, 3C, 3D.
I cannot get it. Page 79, you say?
Lord, he is referring kg of marks. There are
1 minute. Page 79.
Page 79.
Page 79 is MCQ question number.
No, sir, ভুলভাল দিয়েছো নাকি?
This one.
No.
Then SAQ. What is mentioned?
Presentation ঠিক নেই?
Which portion?
May,
No, your page is not telling.
Yes, if it is not
Oh,
correct.
1 minute. Is it this page? 78.
My lord,
This page?
my lord.
This page?
Yes.
Wrong numbering is there, my lord.
Your
I am
number
extremely
is
sorry.
also wrong. Yes. Yes.
My one is correct.
Oh, yours is
Your
correct.
petition is not true.
All right. Yes. Yes. 1 is all right. 2 is all right. 3 is there is
Yes. 3A,
3A.
3B,
3B is all right.
3C,
3C,
3D.
3D, and 3E.
Now your lordships kindly see the answering portions. Page বলো। Page 84, your lordships kindly have a look. তাহলে মিলবে না তো, উত্তরগুলো তো মিলবে না।
78, then 84.
মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে যা সবসময় ট্যালি করা। Page 85, your lordships kindly.
85.
Or is 86? The lordships got it, 85. I do not know whether it will tally or not. It is our mistake.
There is a diagram at the left.
Yes.
Yes. 85.
Your lordships kindly see. The awarding of the marks subsequently corrected and it is cut off everything.
5 plus.
Yes. 5 plus 1, 6.
Where is
And
plus
thereafter
1?
5 plus half it was given. Thereafter 4 and half it was given. Thereafter it should 5, 1, 6.
Very difficult.
Very difficult. So Shomana, only today what I was praying, let him produce the original answer script before your lordships.
What was the examination?
Examination of the high secondary.
2025.
2025, the geography
He
paper.
prays for re-evaluation of the answer script.
No, I'm not re-evaluation, no.
Calculation of marks.
Yes.
He doesn't want re-evaluation.
No, calculation is all right, my lord.
Calculation
Let
is all right.
Yes.
Show how you can ascertain the calculation.
No, not in the calculus. Subsequently, whether they can be corrected, there can be cut up, there can be correction, everything is being made. Whether it can be done.
Subsequently means?
Your lordships kindly see the.
What he is talking about, my lord, subsequently, the examiner.
Wait, please. What is this subsequent?
Let me allow me. Page 99 to মিলবে না। হ্যাঁ।
You get yourself prepared properly and then come. No briefing over here and making submission.
No.
You
Today I could not go because, my lord, this is a mistake on our part that he could not be added as a party respondent higher secondary council. I asked you, sir, I shall take a leave. Thereafter, I will.
All right.
From the.
All right. Leave is granted.
Yes, madam. Can it be taken tomorrow so that I can get myself ready? And
Lord, tomorrow I have some difficulty, my lord. On the Thursday, my lord, Thursday or Friday. The Friday, my lord, then Friday.
Monday, your lord.
Monday, next Monday.
Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday or Monday, my lord.
Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Leave granted.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education.
Permit us to correct the paginations. Can you excuse me, my lord? Today you.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
আজকে কি আছে? Monthly registration. Interest on gratuity. আজকে মঙ্গলবার। 670. Anybody is there? 670.
Lordship, I'm for the petition led by Mr. Chandanato. 617 to 676. I'm praying for not today, my lord. I'm extremely sorry.
Why?
Mr. Chandan Datta is not appeared today.
Who is?
Mr. Chandan Datta, advocate on record, not yours.
Today we'll go to the next Tuesday. It will go next Tuesday.
Yes, Lordship. Not today.
Hmm. Huh? 1363, is anybody there?
Movement.
I am for this petition.
This is my service.
দেখি ফাইলটা দেখি
সার্ভিসটা একটু
it is Shuprabhat Shaha.
Yes.
What is it?
He is the clerk on Brahmo Balika Vidyalaya. His retirement date is 13 September 2021. PPO, single PPO was issued on 27 May 2022.
Right.
Lordship, I am paying for payment on interest on gratuity under section under ROPA 19.
Gratuity and arrear pension. Revised.
Only gratuity.
Revised gratuity. Revised gratuity 2019. Disposed. 1364 is yours?
I am for the state.
Yes. What is it? Same thing?
Same thing. Somuru Bhumik. Parampara Chatterjee আর তোর নামটা দেখি Somuru Bhumik. 1 minute, Lordship. Single PPO, Lordship. Superannuation then 23rd 11 2000.
You received this PPO in 2020. You have filed the writ petition in 2023 and it is being taken up now.
Yes, Lordship. I tried a lot of time, but it was listed but not called for.
Yes. ROPA 19.
ROPA 9.
No, no, it is a single PPO.
Single PPO.
Gratuity?
Gratuity.
Yes, disposed.
I'm for the petition.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. But after 11 months from the date of superannuation, his PPO was issued. So that
Your PPO.
PPO I have annexed. Ma'am.
Acha, single PPO. Gratuity?
Interest on gratuity.
Yes, only gratuity.
Only gratuity.
Yes. All right, disposed.
I'm good.
এক মিনিট 34 রাখুন in case anybody is there. 34 of the daily list, anybody is there?
So, my lord, my senior Mr. Shweta Das was appearing for this for the petition as my lord. My lord, due to personal inconvenience, he could not come to court, my lord. A day's adjournment, my lord.
Only not today?
Not today.
All right.
Then I have given.
34, not today. 35? Yes.
Lord, this is my prayer for my lord higher scale of pay, which is my lord, forwarded by the school to the district inspector, and the district inspector is not doing anything.
What about the
I think
state,
that
my-
I am come for you.
Taking
Only my lord
35.
says page number 41 only says that.
Give the
The last
instruction.
page of it.
এটা ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা এই জিনিস করেছে তো
উঠতে হবে না নিচে থেকে দিন তাহলেই হবে
কত পেজ
Yes, page
41, my lord, last page of the writ petition.
41
Not today.
এইটা দিয়ে দিও তো না তো 44
এই অনুপম কি হয়েছে?
হতে পারে see my lord para 3 my lord
Para 3, yes.
3A.
This
As per geo number so and so dated Calcutta the 24th June 1997 of the school education
have
department
to take prior permission through such and such.
without any permission my lord.
Right. Did not obtain. Why don't you communicate the reasoned order so that he can challenge it?
Yes, my lord. That ground is no more, my lord, available.
But then you have to challenge it.
Yes.
Otherwise, you cannot.
He has joined my lord
That
2009 my lord
After the 3rd of February's order, my lord, that ground is no more. available.
2016 my lord top
Distance.
2009 joined my lord and distance
The petitioner's prayer
And I have the documents to show that I
higher
obtained no
scale of pay is alleged to be kept pending before
Yes.
the district inspector of schools, secondary education, Nodia.
My lord.
Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the state respondents has obtained instruction from the district inspector of schools, secondary education, Nodia,
yes my lord
wherefrom it appears that the prayer of the petitioner appears to have been rejected on the ground that the petitioner did not obtain prior permission from the DI
yes
for admission in the higher study. Stop. No paper for sanctioning the study leave by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education has been found. Stop. As it appears that the district inspector of schools has already taken a decision on the prayer of the petitioner, comma. Accordingly, the DI is directed to make a formal communication of the decision to the petitioner so that the petitioner may take steps to challenge the same in accordance with law. Stop. The communication by the DI shall positively be made within a fortnight from date. You give a copy to him. He gets prepared. Disposed.
Great.
not kept in the record my lord instruction
Yes, yes, certainly kept in the records.
ওটা কি দাগ মান আছে
36.
spy matter lad very short matter lad
Please.
36, my lord, I am appearing for the state, my lord. We have just been forthcome with the instruction, just now, my lord.
Go through it. If you have gone it, go through it. Yes.
lad I was forced to lad refund a certain amount of money before my retirement
On account of withdrawal, overdrawal.
drawn
Yes.
there was no reason given to me till today I do not know
Yes.
rather I
Where is your PPO?
like if you I have annexed the last page
June 2025
33 lad
and
nothing has been written over there
26 consolidated overdrawn account. আমাদের overdrawn এর order আছে না? Disposed.
My lord,
no lad this is
show something, my lord. That is very good.
Let the petitioner say he has to show something.
lad, this deposit I had made lad prior to my retirement
Yes, I have followed it. Yes.
My lord. But they have, my lord, voluntarily deposited, and that is clear from their averment.
Voluntarily
My lord,
deposited.
kindly come to page 7 at
3,26,000 voluntarily
Because, my lord-
deposited. All right. If voluntarily deposited, court's order refund. Disposed. Call the next matter. 37.
My lord, it is clear from their averment only, my lord.
I take it. If they have wrongly done so, you are to refund it.
And my lord, kindly consider our instruction is also, my lord, they have already, my lord, they have already been that instruction that I could not be able to go through, my lord.
Yes. What does it
But,
say?
my lord, paragraph 2, my lord, the petitioner enjoyed extra increment for transfer of for the post of headmaster in the junior high school to the headmaster of high school.
এটাকে রেকর্ডে রেখে দেবেন তো? Yes. Next, 37. I've gone through
For
it.
the petitioner, I am praying for only not today, Lordship.
Not today.
Not today.
Who is for the other side? এটা আগের মামলাটার আগের মামলার ভাই not today 37 38
Put the petition on, there was the indication that it will be, the gratuity matter will be called on up to 115 million. So Mr. Kamlesh was just go down. They beat the Sankar.
My lord, item number
It is a matter.
37, I am for the appealing for the state, my lord.
only not today. Come tomorrow prepared.
It is a matter, my lord, which is already settled that 1 month
Who is your other side?
we have served. 1 month deficit of qualifying service for pension.
All
It
right,
is the case.
show me
6 months, my lord, is the up to 6 months they can condone.
a relaxable limit.
Relaxable limit. Judgment of my lord Justice Vishwajit Basu is on the issue has already been annexed at page 192.
Show me the documents.
Yes.
Rejection order is there.
My rejection order is a pension payment order is there.
190. When if you note the substantive clause.
Pension payment order, my lord, speaks of page 188. Yes. Lordship will get it in the PPO itself. The qualifying service is 10 years. But in the 1, 2, 3, 4,
9 years, 11 months.
9. There is 1 month deficit. The law is 10.
I need your other side. No, you serve the GP's office in the recess. Find out who's there.
At
Bring
2
him.
o'clock we are coming. Yes.
Bring him.
Lordship কি বলছেন বোঝার চেষ্টা করুন।
39 টাকা দেখে নিন রয়েছে দাঁড়িয়ে 39
Malad, I have for the state in this matter, Malad.
The matters now relate to the higher scale of pay.
দুটোর সময় টাকা ছিঁড়ে গেল উপরে কাগজটা What is it?
Relates to the higher scale of pay, my lord.
Your application?
Application, my lord. Page 43 is the last application, my lord. Page 43. Earlier, mother school also forwarded the application to the DI.
Where is it?
Please, my lord, page 32.
32?
My lord.
Please come. Any instruction?
Malad, I do not have any. I just received it.
Petitioner pray for grant of higher. আচ্ছা দেখি আছে কি বলছে
APTP service তো আমাকে দিয়ে দেবেন
AGM
এটা 38
disposed. Let it remain your affidavit of service. You find out who's there.
Okay,
Bring your learned adversary so that
Malad,
the matter can be
consideration.
After giving an opportunity of hearing, man. After giving an opportunity of hearing.
all right. Is it there in that order? Opportunity? আচ্ছা পরের গুলোতে opportunity দিয়েছে এখানে opportunity of hearing টা দিয়ে দেবেন তো Yes.
41 is also same, man.
41 give. Is your other side there?
But I appeal for the state. 40.
Yes, please. 41. Same order can go down?
Yes, same.
Same order can go down. Same as 41.
Same as 30.
39. 41 is same as. একটু দিন আমাকে
Page 46 is a representation. Opportunity of hearing.
Yes.
Madam.
Yes, opportunity of hearing will be inserted.
Lordship. Sir.
46. Is anybody there? Shivaji is not here. Yes, দুটোর পর দাও। ডাকুন। Other side.
Both the learned advocates on the other side were spoken over the telephone and
Yes.
requested them to attend the court. They said that they all know that at 2 o'clock the matter will be taken up.
Who are they?
Names are there, no? Names are Joyiti Sinha and Somdeep Mondol. All mobile numbers are also recorded from the office of the government.
You see? Yes, somebody is there on video conference.
Very good.
All right.
My lord, kindly come, my lord, as the PPO that has been issued in our favor. That is at page 188. A teacher retired. At 188, 9 years, 11 months service, my lord, to his credit.
Give the order that has been passed.
The order is at page 192. Their entire thing has been recorded, my lord. There was a shortfall of 2 months, but in my case, it is a shortfall of 1 month.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the state, my lord, in this matter. Kindly permit me to argue, my lord, through video conference. My lord.
Video conference is all right. You make yourself straight. You are tilted. In fact, turned.
My lord, kindly consider, my lord, due to the specific reason, my lord, today's was not possible for me to.
No, it's all right. You are there. I can see you.
Yes, my lord, kindly consider.
What is your submission?
My lord, my submission is that, my lord, first point is that this is the shortfall of 1 month, my lord. Statutory period, my lord, to complete, that has not been complete, first one. And second one is that the discretionary, not mandatory, my lord. This is the discretionary power to consider, but already that has been rejected.
And petitioner was serving as?
Assistant teacher.
My lord. That has already been rejected. Only gratuity has been granted, but pensionary benefit has been rejected.
Nadia district?
Nadia district.
Date of retirement is September 2020.
30th of
Yes, I've
September
seen.
2023.
2023.
Please come. ওনার নামটা রেকর্ড করবেন স্টেট সন্দীপ মন্ডল আচ্ছা এই যে
My lord.
petitioner was an assistant teacher of a secondary school নদিয়া
কি ছিল
ঠিক করে পারবেন না
এটার উপরই তো দাঁড়িয়ে যশো অর্ডার দিচ্ছে
on attaining the age of superannuation he retired from service on at tarike. There is a shortfall of 1 month in qualifying period of the petitioner to get the benefit of pension. ওই এখানে না না না
7E4
হ্যাঁ পেনশন এখানে একটা লাইন অ্যাড আপ করুন তো due to the shortfall in the qualifying service period pension has not been paid in favor of the petitioner. The petitioner prays for sanction of pension. Reliance has been placed on প্যারাগ্রাফ অত no, so which provides that the deficiency of 6 months calling is condonable is condonable ফুল স্টপ অবধি হবে এখান থেকে প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখুন তো in view of the aforesaid memorandum comma the shortfall of service of the petitioner is liable to be condoned. Stop. The district inspector of schools is accordingly directed to process the pension papers of the petitioner at the earliest. Stop. The aforesaid respondent shall ensure that the petitioner receives his pensionary dues latest within 31st March 2026. ঠিক আছে
with all areas.
yes along with all areas disposed
Grateful.
service is on record.
Deeply obliged to you. Every row service filed in court be obliged.
Grateful. Blessed.
And appear for the petition. Now, my lord, this father of this petitioner, my lord, he was an assistant teacher, my lord, in my lord, Khenkul High School in the district of Murshidabad. But after entering 16 years of approved qualified service, but where my lord, he was my lord, promoted to the post of assistant headmaster, my lord, he died in harness on 7th of September 2010, but when this petitioner was only 8 years old. But the mother of the petitioner had made an application that was not considered.
For what?
My lord, for compassionate appointment under died in harness category. Now, my lord, this petitioner kindly comes to Annexure P7, page 31. But he has made a representation before the school authorities. The school authorities has forwarded all his papers before the district inspector of schools. My lord, that my lord, application is kept pending. What I was only beseeching that let the district inspector of schools, my lord, Murshidabad, take a decision over it.
All right, please come.
My lord.
The petitioner's prayer. No, the petitioner's father was serving as an assistant teacher of a school. He died in harness on 7th September 2010. Stop. The wife of the deceased teacher applied for compassionate appointment. Stop. The petitioner was a minor when his father expired. Stop. Oh, the wife did not make any application.
Wife made an application that was kept pending, nothing done.
Where is that?
My lord, kindly comes to Annexure P7, page 31.
That is the son's.
That is the son's. My lord, there, my lord, kindly comes to the first
No,
paragraph.
you show me the document.
My lord, we have the memo number. We do not have the document.
Which memo number?
Kindly comes to the middle. আমার বাবা মারা যাওয়ার পরে আমার মায়ের নামে ডিএইচ ক্যাটাগরিতে নথিভুক্ত করা হয় 1 এপ্রিল 2011 তারিখে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার হিসাবে she has given the memo number
No, this memo number you never know whether this is proper or improper.
let the son's case be considered.
আচ্ছা কি বললাম বললাম না যে expired. There is no document in support of the submission that the widow applied for compassionate appointment. সানেরটা আগে সেন্টেন্সটা করে দেবেন, উইডোরটা পরে সেন্টেন্সটা করবেন, তাহলে তার পরের লাইনটা কন্টিনিউশন থেকে গেল। The petitioner, after attaining majority, applied for compassionate appointment on
10th June
10th
2025.
June 2025. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the District Inspector of Schools to consider his appointment, his application seeking compassionate appointment. Paragraph. On a perusal of the facts as mentioned herein above, it appears that the teacher expired in the year 2010 and the petitioner, no, 2010, when the petitioner was a minor. Stop. After attaining a majority, he applied for compassionate appointment on 10th June 2025. Stop. The law relating to compassionate appointment is well settled. Stop. An applicant who does not have any right to make application on the date of death of the employee does not have a right to apply when he attains majority. Stop. There is no scope of reservation of vacancies to be filled up by the heir of a deceased upon attaining majority. Stop. Compassionate appointment is not the regular mode of service, and the same is provided to tide over the immediate financial crisis faced by the family on the death of the breadwinner. Stop. Here, the employee died in 2010. An application for compassionate appointment made in the year 2025 cannot be directed to be considered. Stop. There is no scope to show compassion to the heir of a deceased at such a belated stage. The writ petition accordingly fails and is hereby dismissed.
May I say this? But the school authorities have documents that the mother had made the application. The respondent authorities did not consider it.
Next. যেটা কেটে দিয়েছে ওগুলো কেটে। Yes.
But for the petitioner, this is my
Other side.
But my service to the learned government period is not complete. It's not done.
Service not complete. List in the monthly list of December. Service in the meantime.
Great.
My lord, I met with the petitioner, my lord.
I am for the
My lord, I want to, my lord, to draw your kind attention, page 33, my lord, notification. My notification regarding the first state level selection test के 2025 के for recruitment के of non-teaching staff के clerk and group D staff के only in recognized government aided sponsored school in West Bengal. Kindly, my lord, के middle portion के my lord के blog letter, it is clarified that candidates who have been identified as trained candidates in terms tainted candidate in terms of judgment and order dated 3rd April 2025 in civil के appeal के number 4800 of 2024 will not be eligible to apply. This is the And then my lord, this is the my lord notification published on 9th October 2025. My lord, online application started. Next page, my lord, 34. My lord, 2. My lord, 3rd November 2025.